Get me the wire brush, not the brush one now. Clean it off.
Hold on. Huh? Oh, word. Well. After a long day working on the cars, we gonna bust it down. Look at this. These crabs, pounds. Oh my God. When I say the wife goes in, the wife goes in. Look at that shit. Holy. Yeah, I broke my coffee table yesterday. The glass fell. So we gotta use a mirror. Boom. When your wife's a ballet dancer, woo, and a teacher, gotta love it. All right. So go about to go pick up my cousin. Hopefully today we finish with the BMW. Trying to get it mounted. This is nice. I think what, an M1 or something like that. I don't even know. All I know is small. Oh, my boy's not even here. Yep. But yeah, about to go chow down real quick. Meet up with cousin. And then head to the Beamer. Hopefully mount it up. Get it rolling. Not gonna lie, it's hot as fuck. I turn off this fucking heater. Basically, all I gotta really do is mount the. What I gotta mount? I'm lost. Fuck. What do I have to mount? Oh, intake manifold. There we go. Forgot what it was called. Shit. That was a gay car. Gay. Yeah, woke up a little late. And shit. Should have been over there at the garage ready. It really sucks about this virus. Like, I'm hot right now in my car. I don't have my windows down. But can I get the virus if I put the windows down? I don't even have the windows in my house open. Because they say this shit fucking floats in the air and all that bullshit. So it's like, fuck. Do I put the windows down? Could I put the windows down? Matter of fact, do I even have AC in this car? Don't know. Let's try it out. Actually, like I said, just got this car. Supposed to tattoo a buddy of mine. I think like $200. Fuck it. It's the crisis. I'm not tattooing, and I don't feel like I should pay him anything. Cause he told me it was a windshield and the brakes. That was the only thing wrong with the car. When I started driving it, shit, fucking shit is stickier than a motherfucker to shift gears. Power steering was leaking out the ass. Probably wasted at least fucking $50 on power steering fluid because I was too lazy to change the lines. But I did yesterday. What else? Fucking yeah, there's a couple more things, but it drives smooth, I'll tell you that one. Definitely drives smooth. And shit. But I don't know if the AC works. Ooh, that's it. With my eyes. Fuck. Oh. Oh, I can't see. Oh shit. Stand down. Stand the fuck down. Fuck. I can't see. Looks like the AC does work. I think it's still blowing out a little cold. See, there's even something up with the switch. I gotta figure out, like, the heater switch. I don't know. That's a cool looking dog. Look at that little furry dog. Come on, stupid! I swear to God, people in fucking town is dumb. My nigga, go! You fucking retarded. Fuck. Dumbass people, but this AC does work. Holy shit. I don't know, maybe she's gonna want to take, she's gonna take the 370. We'll see though. And there it goes, she still have not changed the plates. She's crazy. Where's her BMW at? Oh, it's up there. I said people cannot fucking drive. She got some lasagna. Let's check this out. Let's go get this food. Let's see what she has. She's so excited. Look at her. Damn, that pool looked like a swamp. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah.
Eventually,
That's so cool.
like for a show or something, I want to put it in the trunk by like.
See if you can get a bigger one. You gotta get the drift trunk. Take it off the Beamer.
Yeah, I know.
You still haven't changed the damn plate?
No, I was gonna do it yesterday, and then I ended up doing my other shit.
That's awesome. What else you got? This shit smells so fucking
I
good.
know.
I got it. Look when you go into the car. That's crazy though.
That's gonna add like
Just look
5
at
more
this shit,
horsepower.
guys. Just look at this shit, guys, right? Watch. It's crazy because I just brought my bag. Watch. And this shit been in the house forever. And I decided, hey, you know what? Let's put the stickers on. And all my shit's in there.
But you know penguins are my favorite. So
This
I was
shit.
like, yo, this is gonna be perfect.
That's hot. That good shit. Little fucking penguin. That's awesome. I hate that this is like that.
Yeah.
Shit, y'all wanna see a swamp? Look at a swamp. The fucking swamp. Swamp. Rawr. Yeah, I gotta just put the intake manifold on. And hopefully it starts. So I just gotta put the intake manifold on and it's be good. See, I just bought this shit. This is the sponsorship shit though. You should just apply for them.
That was what I got.
You got
I did.
this? Oh, you
Yeah.
did? Word, good shit.
That's what they sent me. The only thing I ordered was the
The
inflatable penguin for now. Because I don't know if the car already has like an oil cooler. But
it
a
doesn't look
lot
like
of people, right?
it. It doesn't
A
look
lot of
like
people
it.
were saying to get one though. Because apparently it heats up like a lot. It's hot. Tim got a new Honda.
Shit.
The other one's still in the garage.
Boys need to leave these damn Hondas alone. Oh, this nigga's a full-blown weirdo.
I'm a weirdo?
A weirdo.
Huh?
A weirdo, yeah, nigga.
I'm a weirdo.
That's what you just did.
What? This?
Nothing.
Scared, nigga?
Nothing.
Don't hit me.
What's
Good
good
though,
though?
you chillin'?
Chilling. Trying to
Big
finish
ass
this.
motherfucking mask on.
Trying to survive, nigga. This shit is dangerous out here.
You look
This
dangerous,
shit-
nigga.
this shit is
What you
shit.
doing on your day off?
I have to I have to fix my rain guards.
As y'all see, we're back to square one where I last left off. But we're gonna get this shit done today. Hopefully. That's fine with me.
You gotta shoot an intro.
What in the hell?
Alright, just gonna skip that part.
No time for intro.
You gotta do the YouTuber thing. Hey, what's up, you guys?
Oh, I can't be that excited. Especially with a mask on. That shit like, oh. And shit. But, get a chair if you want the chair. There's some candy up there. Let's put it working. Alright. Ground. Get all that ground back there. We need a tin. Fuck that. Let's put about a tin. See, like, I gotta get a break. I gotta finish pumping it. I'm needing the break. Get that brake line blade. Good to go.
It's a lot of wires.
Uh-huh.
Sheesh.
When the spot is in, blows.
What?
Taking out the starter.
Mm.
And shit. Yeah, I need somebody to book because I took out half of the vacuum lines. So I gotta figure out where half of the lines go. Look on the floor, like all my fluid to how it shears off. Yeah, once I put this in the ground the starter better, and then it should be good. So it's a game before back on. And then start the car. Oh, this is breakage. Break fluid there. This shit sucks. The fucking the firewall. Back there. This car is big. Got the exhaust, new clutch, new flywheel, new starter, water pump, motor mount.
Gonna get copyrighted.
And that nigga is dead right now. After he girl left him.
It's like this lime green. I don't even know what the fuck it was.
Man, it's going to bridge off itself.